Peace, family. Author, motivational speaker, and orator, Doc Motivate, hitting you again. And today we're going to be discussing how to file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Like if you've been filing an FTC report, you've been doing a CFPB report, this is something to add to your arsenal, right? So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to understand what you're filing a complaint for, right? Before we dive into the logistics, it's crucial to understand why are we filing this OCR complaint, right? It enforces several civil rights. And like I say, you want to add this to your other complaints that you've been filing, FTC, CFPB, right? So one of the reasons could be your privacy has been violated. Um, you feel discriminated against from your, skin color or your nationality, right? Um, your health information has been accessed. You believe that they violated HIPAA, right? Yeah. But make sure when you're filing this complaint that you're stating the exact law that can identify what you feel is being violated, right? So if it's medical and you feel that your information was compromised and displayed, that would be HIPAA, right? Okay. So step two, you're going to gather the necessary information. You're going to gather your letters they sent you, your correspondence, your screenshots, your emails, your contact information, your name, address, number, email, the healthcare provider that you're talking about, details of the incident, what happened, when did it occur, were there times in communication, did they write you? The more specific that you provide, the better results. It's just like the CFPB. You need to be exact. You need to tell these guys exactly your desired outcome and what you want them to assist you with, right? Also, support your evidence. Make sure you built up these exhibit A, B, C. Here, I got you on this. You wrote me over here. I got this email that I screenshotted. Um, I got the medical records that can support my complaint as concrete proof, right? So it can be no doubt in their mind, right? Can they intervene and help me out with this matter? That's what you want. You want to make sure that everything's connecting. All right, step three, man. You're going to compare your notes. See what notes that you can apply. See what notes won't help you. You might have some extra things in there that you don't need to include. Like, oh yeah, in the last 6 months I moved from here. That's not really going to help you. That's not really going to add on to building this case for you, right? So, like I say, you want to prepare. Now that you got your information, you got your evidence, your name, contact info, the name of the healthcare provider, the description. Now you're going to get online to the site that I'm going to provide in the link below and file a complaint online. We're going to do it the old school way, by mail, right? The easiest way is go through the complaint portal and do it online on the website, right? But, if you're old school like me, I like paper trails. I like having the information on my hand. You can download the complaint form and mail it to United States Department of Health and Human Services, Office for Civil Rights, 200 Independence Avenue, SW, room 509F, HHH Building, Washington, D.C., 20201. And this is going to Washington, D.C., man. This is big stuff out here. This is No play out here, man. No play at all, man. Or you can email your complaint. Fill out the PDF and email it. I'll drop the email also in the link if you guys need that. So after you send in your complaint, follow up, track your progress. If you didn't hear nothing back in 30 days, you can, of course, email somebody. You can see if you can call them. It can take some time. Nothing happens overnight. But you have to remember standing for your rights and speaking up on your rights being violated is the most important thing you can do. You can always get an update on what's going on. They're not your enemies. They're actually here to help you. See what happens next. Investigate your claim, right? Attempt to resolve it. What do you think will be a fair resolution to resolve this? Right? Some cases they'll enforce penalties or take legal action against the responsible entity, which will be the healthcare provider that gave out your information. Yeah. So that's basically going to be the how-to on for how to file your complaint, right? It shows that you're standing up for your rights. You know, as a credit restoration coach, I often tell my clients and my family, right, on the road to financial freedom and wealth, it's not about just a peace of mind, right? It's not just about rebuilding the credit. It's about ensuring every part of your life is balanced. Every part of your life is balanced. Your health, your mindset, and your rights. Yes, your rights as well. You have to stand up for your rights. Don't not include standing up for your rights. So if you found this video helpful, useful, don't forget to subscribe and check out my resources for more tips on restoring your rights and reclaiming your credit. In return, I offer you a peace of mind. Remember, you have the power to make a change. Filing a complaint with the OCR can make a huge difference into getting back on track for your credit and for your financial well-being. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, help me grow this channel. Cheers.